Hello everyone, so today I'll show you some cool tricks for your Motorola Razr 50. So first of all, open up your settings. Now you gotta scroll down to your Personalize tab. Open it up. In your Personalize tab, here you can choose themes, fonts, icon shapes, and colors. And when selecting your wallpapers, for example, you can press colors and choose a color which gonna be the most suitable for your style. Now, you can also edit your lock screen and your external display. Also, you can enable dark mode, layout, display size, and icon size if you want to do that, of course. Alright, the next thing what we can do is to open up our settings. Once again, where to find our display tab. Here it is. Open up your display tab, and in your display tab you can enable your dark mode. If you want to, you can check display refresh rate, which I highly recommend doing because it's an essential and cool feature. So here it is. Tap on it. You can choose between a smart optimized up to 120 Hz and a standard one up to 60 Hz. And standard mode works of course, and it's not that smooth. However, it saves a lot of battery. Also, you can adjust the screen saturations in your colors option in your display tab, of course. So choose your colors, and here you can choose between vivid, radiant, and natural modes. So here is your preview. Tap on each of them and decide which is the most suitable for you. Alright, after we adjusted that, we can go on to gestures and navigation. So open up your gestures. Here they are, and here choose your system navigation tab. In your system navigation, you're to choose between gestures and 3 buttons navigations. I recommend you choosing gestures because this will give you a much cleaner interface. You can also disable the bottom bar if it gets in the way. The last but not least is a sidebar. Here it is. So open up your sidebar. Now scroll down and simply tap on the switch. And now you are to swipe in to show the sidebar. Let's do that again. Here it is. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.